Wanna update your SANSUI Smart TV with webOS to get the latest feature, performance improvements, and bug fixes? In this video, I will show you how to check and install software updates on your TV. So first you just have to press the settings button on your remote, then press OK and go for all settings menu. Next, select support, then choose software update here. And here you will see if a new software update is available for your TV. So if you had like your TV to update automatically in the future, just simply turn on auto update from this screen. This is actually recommended. And now to install the latest update, you just have to select download and install. So now you just have to wait. This may take some time, so just be patient and let the process finish completely. So once the update is installed, just restart your TV to complete the update process. So after the TV restarts, just return to the software update screen to confirm that your TV is running the latest version of webOS. And that's it. Your SANSUI TV is now up to date and ready to enjoy with the latest improvements. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes9 till then.